Brother, in every finance video you watch right now, you see the same thing. Some guy in a suit tells you, don't drink your coffee, save money, and you just nod and move on. I'm not here to feed you that nonsense. I'm 35 years old and I own a holding company. When I wake up in the morning, I'm thinking about which of my companies to check on. You're checking your bank balance. Do you know why that gap exists? Because you were never taught the right things. For over 17 years, I worked deep inside the highest levels of investment banking. I personally witnessed how the wealthiest people on the planet manage their money. And I realized this, that knowledge is being deliberately kept from you. In school, you learned about mitochondria. You learned about the War of 1812. But nobody ever explained to you how interest works on the student loan contract you signed at 18. They handed you the keys to a Formula One car but never taught you how to drive it. Now look, there are thousands of finance channels out there, and all of them are either selling you the buy this stock and get rich tomorrow nonsense, or telling you don't drink your daily coffee and you'll save 4 liras. Brother, it's not 4 liras a day you're losing. It's hundreds of thousands of liras through wrong decisions, and you can't see it because the system wants you to see it exactly that way. I've seen people earning $200,000 a year with absolutely nothing to show for it, and I've watched people making $40,000 a year build serious wealth through smart decisions. It's not about how much money comes in. It's about what they do with it once it arrives. Wealth is a consistency game, a patience game, doing the boring right things month after month while everyone else is chasing shortcuts. I created this channel because financial literacy should not be a privilege. It should be as basic and accessible as learning how to read. Here's what we're going to talk about. The quietly broke phenomenon, that dangerous trap where looking successful has become more important than actually being successful. Why keeping your money in the bank is financial suicide in slow motion. And yes, brother, we're going to talk about why driving an older car is one of the smartest financial moves you can make, because status doesn't pay your mortgage. Even if I have to explain this 10 times, I will, because this isn't about me. It's about you. I'm not going anywhere until you change, until you understand, until you reach the point where you can make truly free decisions. Understand the system, learn the rules, then use them in your own favor. Your future self is waiting on the decisions you make right now. I'm just going to show you the right map. If you're ready, let's begin.